Hi guys, don't give up on us by David Soul. Don't give up on us, baby. Don't make the wrong seem right. The future isn't just one night. It's written in the moonlight and painted on the stars. We can't change us. Don't give up on us, babe. Okay, that's the intro and the first verse. Okay, the intro is D. Pick a fourth string, bass, and first and second string, and then third, second, first, and then fourth string, third string, second string, first string. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beats. Okay, that's for D, and then you slide it on the fourth fret to make it E/D. So your bass will also the fourth string. So pick fourth string, first and second, and then again third, second, first, then third string. Put your pinky on the fifth fret of first string. Slide. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, slide, and then C sharp minor 7. Pick fifth string, first and second string, and then third, second, first, fourth, second, third, first. Okay, so also 8 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then F sharp minor. Pick sixth string, first and second string, and then fourth string, third string, second string, hammer on the third fret of second string, and then open first string. So again, okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, hammer, and then B minor 7, fifth string, first second string, and then one more time, and then put your pinky on the fourth fret of first string. So, and then take off, and then E7 sustain. Okay, one more time for B7. For B7 so 4 beats, and then E7 sustain. 1 beat only for E7 and E7 sustain. Okay, now we go to the first verse. For A, don't give up. Same picking, bass plus first and second, third, second, first, fourth, third, second, first. Okay, and then C sharp minor 7, same picking, bass, first and second string, third. Okay, so that's the picking pattern for verse 1. Okay, and then for the last line, we can't change us. for B minor 7, same picking, and then E7 sustain, one thing only, one beat only. Okay, so okay, now we go to the second verse. The second verse is the first three lines of second verse is the same as the first three lines of first verse. I'll play it first. Don't give up on us, baby. We're still worth one more try. Yeah, I know it would have last one by just for the rainy evening when maybe starts off this time. C sharp 7 sustained, only 4 beats, and then put your pinky on the 6th fret of second string. You slide it 1 fret lower. Okay, that's 7 C sharp 7. Don't give up on us, I know. For B7, same picking, 8 beats, and then E7 sustain. So for E7 sustain, 6th string, first and second string, and then third, second, first. Okay, so 4 beats, and then E7, same picking, 4 beats also. Okay, don't give up on us, I know we can still come true, and then A. And then you strum. So you pick A. A is 2 measures. Fifth, first and second string, and then third and then second string, and then you down, down, up, down. Okay? Don't give up on us, I know we can still come through. And then bridge. We go to the bridge. I will. So the strumming pattern is down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. So for A, and then down, down, up, down, down, and then one more measures, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Okay, still come through. I really lost my head last night. You got a right to start believing there's still a little left, even so. Don't give up on us, baby. So the third verse is strumming. So let's go back to the last line of the bridge. We're still down, there's still down, up, down, down, up, down, down. There's still a little love left, even so. S7 sustain, and then E7, strum down once, and then pause, and then up, down, down, and then go to the third verse, A. So, don't give up on us, baby. Lord knows we've come this far. Can't we stay the way we are? The angel and the dreamer, 'cause sometimes they Coda. After the third verse is the Coda. So let's go back to the third verse first. So same strumming for A. Don't give up on us, babies. Lord knows. Same strumming for C sharp minor 7. For D, same. For E slash D, same strumming. C minor again, same strumming. F sharp minor, same strumming. And then D, same strumming. A slash C sharp, same strumming. D, same strumming. And then for the C sharp sustain, C sharp 7 sustained. So down, up, down, and then C7. So 3 strums only. Down, up, down, and then C sharp 7. Down, up, down, and then don't give up on the same strum. For B minor 7, don't give up on down, up, down, down, up, down, down, and then E7 sustained, down, up, down, E7, down, up, down, and then A for Coda. So don't give up on us, I know we can still come through. Back to we repeat the second verse, but this time it's 1 fret higher. So instead of A, we play B flat. Okay, so for don't give up on the sign, Lord knows one more try. I know it would have lost one by. For the rain, when maybe stars are few, don't give up on us, I know we can still come true. Don't give up on us, baby. Don't give up on us, baby. Okay, that's it. So we go back to the last verse, the second verse, which is 1 fret higher. Anyway, because you'll have your tab. So I wrote it here, the higher, the transpose, okay, 1 fret higher for the second verse. And then for the outro, it is don't give up, C minor 7, don't give up on us, F7 sustained, don't give up on us, baby. So chords C minor 7, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, and then F7, F7 sustained, down, up, down, and then F7, down, up, down, and then go back to C minor again, C minor 7, down. So for the last time, F7 is only down. Okay, so 7th fret, 3rd string, bend, pick, and then bend, and then slide to 3rd fret. Okay, and then you pick B flat, 5th string, 1st and 2nd string, and then 3rd, 2nd, 1st, pause, and then 3rd, 2nd. So one more time, and then okay. So that's our outro. One more time. Okay. So anyway, you have your tab, you have your chords. So here is your okay. If you have any question, just you can ask questions. Okay, so that's now our next lesson. I don't know yet. I have a lot in mind, but anyway, just click the notification bell. Okay, so those who are new to our channel, please subscribe. So far, we have reached more than 4,000 public watch hours. It's one of the qualifications to join the YouTube partner program, and we got I think 40,000 total views for 4 months. Well, that's not bad enough. Slow, but it's increasing. And then, but the problem is we still got only about 700 subscribers, and I need 300 more to qualify for the YouTube partner program. So those who haven't subscribed yet, to our viewers, please subscribe. And those who have subscribed already, you can convince a friend or two to subscribe to make our channel grow. We need it. If not, well, I might be forced to shut down our channel. Okay, so I hope we can reach the only 300 more. Okay, so have a nice day and enjoy your picking and strumming.